Introduce highlight features and quick overview of FLATIC aluminum metal pizza peel, 12-inch x 14-inch pizza paddle with foldable wooden handle, pizza cutter and slicer, non-stick design. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Our pizza peel is made of food-grade aluminum and high-quality oak. It has long-lasting strength, safety, and durability, and is equipped with high-quality aluminum blades and pizza shovel, which is convenient for you to cut and distribute pizza. The sturdy pizza peel is perfect for transferring pizza from your preparation table to the oven, without worrying about food falling out, and safely put it in the hot oven to make baking easier. The long wooden handle keeps your fingers away from the hot baking oven, making the process of baking pizza safer and more comfortable. The pizza peel is made of high-quality aluminum. It has a non-stick surface, so it becomes easier to clean. It only needs to be cleaned simply with soap and water. Pizza peel can be used in household ovens, outdoor wood-burning ovens or professional kitchens. Suitable for pizza-making beginners and experienced chefs. The pizza peel set is packaged in an exquisite gift box. Whether you buy it for yourself, or give it to family or friends, this will be the best gift. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.